Welcome to the most significant milestones we achieved at Platformatic. Since our last launch back at the beginning of June, the team has been working continuously to deliver new features that we are incredibly proud to show you today. We started with addressing the onboarding experience we had always imagined and wanted to accelerate the creation of new backend applications. We introduced a new experience to our cloud, Platformatic Wizard, leaving the magic of onboarding backend applications to us. As backend developers, we build APIs to give access to the functionalities that we are building to other applications, if you think about microservices, or to client applications like a web app built in Next.js, and for example, deployed on Vercel, or a React Native build with Expo. Usually, developers have to navigate from getting the API's documentation to implementing the business logic to consume that API. SDKs and many solutions on the market are usually heavy regarding footprint, complexity, and dependencies. At Platformatic, we took a different approach, intending to be type-safe first, but extremely lightweight. To accomplish this, we released Platformatic Client. We can create a zero dependencies JavaScript or TypeScript client from any API specification with a simple command, simple to generate and simple to integrate in any new or existing application, also when not a Platformatic one. The community and the enterprise users exceptionally well received this feature. The simplicity and ease of use of Platformatic Client led companies like Spendesk to adopt it across their stack. I would like to invite you on stage, Roberto Bianchi, to share your experience using Platformatic. Vai Roberto!
Hello, I'm Roberto Bianchi and I work at Spendesk as a senior software engineer. Today, I'm excited to share with you why Spendesk chose to adopt Platformatic and how it has transformed our backend development processes for the better. Spendesk is the first spend management platform built for both finance teams and employees. We're dedicated to simplifying expense management, payments, and financial reporting for businesses and giving finance leaders visibility across company spending. At Spendesk, one of our key values is our massive commitment to our product in order to delight our customers. So this means for us delivering reliable, innovative, and secure software. But as developers may know, backend development has for a long time been in some parts a difficult, time-consuming, and repetitive process, often slowing down deployments or causing a poor developer experience for teams, breaking changes, and many more headaches. And this is where Platformatic came into the picture. We've been using Platformatic to help us accelerate our path from concept to market by providing an easy to adopt and simple to implement framework for our digital APIs. One key aspect that has been incredibly valuable to us is the Platformatic Client, allowing us to generate a fully typed client with no dependencies. This has simplified a lot our development process, saving us time and team resources. Platformatic so far has easily integrated into our development process, being aligned with our strong focus on security and best practices. We are excited to continue seeing Platformatic support our development team in delivering new in-demand features and to actively contribute to their open source repo.
Thanks, Roberto, for sharing your story and how Spendesk is driving transformation, acceleration, and value to your user using Platformatic. The team has been working hard to deliver some incredible features that I wished to have available when I was a developer a long time ago, or when I designed platforms to be used by developers. We have been at least once in a situation where one of our changes broke another application, or we have been impacted by someone else's change, being in our team, organization, or even a third-party API. Last week, we released a white paper titled Evaluating the Risk of Changes in a Microservices Architecture, a game-changing view on how we can reduce the developer's anxiety in deploying fast, continuously, and without breaking things. In line with Platformatic's commitment to contributing to the tech community, we kept the algorithm we designed open and available as a white paper for everyone. I'm also excited to announce the general availability of the Breaking Change Detector, the implementation of our white paper, available now for Platformatic Cloud. This is the first step to support developers with a new backend development experience and toolchain. But today, we want to take another step in this journey. For years, I would like to say that until now, we bootstrap apps and backends using starter kits by making carbon copies of an existing base project. The more applications are initialized in this way, the more permutations of that initial project are created. With time passing and apps growing, the need, or better, the requirement of keeping all of these applications up to date becomes very time-consuming and operationally expensive. Also, the more apps we create, the more it's hard to deterministically say that these apps were generated from the same base. Today, we are launching Stackables, the new way to build, distribute, and assemble modern applications. We bring the same experience as Lego to backend development. Use standard pieces or create your own. Compose them to create new ones to use as a base for new constructions, enabling developers to be creative without compromising speed and reusability. Stackables are the new foundation of modern platforms. As we grow our adoption in the enterprise, we heard our customers and users wanting to take advantage of all the features we developed for Platformatic Cloud, but within their infrastructure. Kubernetes changed completely the game in the infrastructure and ops space. So today, I'm happy to announce the availability in beta of Platformatic Cloud for Kubernetes. We are onboarding early adopters, so get in touch if you want to be one of them. We have been working hard to constantly bring stable features to our open source product and equally to our Platformatic Cloud. Last month, we announced our partnership with Valor software to bring the power of Platformatic to their customers. The feedback has been phenomenal, and we are incredibly excited to partner with such an incredible company and team. The community has been highly optimistic about the value and impact Platformatic brings to the ecosystem. It's gratifying to see developers sharing their favorable experiences with what we are building, and we would love to thank you all for your vote of confidence. Today, on behalf of the whole Platformatic team, I'm happy to share that we are releasing our first major version, marking our 1.0 release. The last months have been incredible, and our users and contributors helped us achieve this significant milestone. More and more companies trust Platformatic for their production workloads, and we have reached the proper maturity to call this release 1.0. Now, I would like to invite on stage Terri Phipps to share how Platformatic has been supporting our startup Wilma in its socially impactful mission. The stage is yours, Terri.
Hi there, I'm Terri Phipps. I'm CEO and founder of Wilma, and Wilma is North America's first membership-based ride-hailing service designed to address the safety concerns for women and gender-diverse folks. So simply put, we are women driving women. We've been working with Platformatic for some time now, and I think that they've been a bit of a game changer for us as we build out our applications and continue to build out functionalities, because they've had a strong focus on security and best practices. And so Platformatic has easily, I would say, integrated with our development process. And by doing that, they've ensured our app integrity. So not only does that partnership accelerate our product's time to market by eliminating, time-intensive infrastructure tasks, but it also provides our team with the confidence to ship faster without compromising quality, because they have back-end best practices already embedded. So we're pretty happy and excited to be working with Platformatic as an integral part of our entire journey to bring safety and really revolutionize the ride-hailing industry for women and gender-diverse folks.
This release marks a huge milestone for Platformatic. And as we heard from our guest, we are changing the backend game. The breaking change detector, Stackables, the support for all our enterprise users for Kubernetes, and all the features we released in the past month improve backend developers' lives and how we conceive platforms. We cannot wait to show you how we are evolving all of these features into the future of backend development. Ciao!